Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can share video games over on Steam. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your Steam application on your PC and simply log in with your account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Steam store. Now open up Steam settings by going over to top left corner of the application and selecting settings. A new dialog box will appear in front of you consisting of all of the settings you can tweak to get a smoother experience. Anyways, inside this dialog box, there will be a section named Account. Inside it, access the Steam God settings and make sure it's enabled on both of the devices you are going to use. After that, go one step back and this time open Family section. Inside it, checkmark the option Authorize Library Sharing. What will happen is that all of your local accounts will start appearing here with a checkbox beside them. After that, checkmark the accounts you want to share the games with and you are done. That's how you can share games over on Steam. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.